Do you use your sponge?
Yes. I do think that she is every mother-in-law's favorite.
Okay, my eye looks way bigger than it ever has.
I think like Igasa is very important because it actually shortens this portion of your face. So like Tai Tai's daughter. Her dark eye circles are mostly brown, so I'm using salmon. Yeah, I have a lot of redness. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Team Mongabong, and what are we doing today?
Makeup class.
Makeup class. Not exactly a makeup class, but they all asked me how to do eye makeup, so I was like, let's just do it for a video since each of them have different eye shapes. So I thought they will complete half of their face with the usual makeup that they usually do, and I will try to do the other half. Ready, go!
Yeah.
She's laughing at us.
What are you doing?
Okay, what you want to do first? Then I'll copy.
You have 10 minutes, by the way.
10 minutes.
Few moments later.
Yeah, whatever.
I really don't know what to do. It's a name bubble.
Then you have to spray with water and put the tissue.
We doing one eye only.
One eternity later.
Hey Joelle.
I really need to look. I need to learn something. Why don't you just try?
I woke up early.
No color eh.
12 seconds later.
Done. Got difference meh? Maybe I didn't even start.
Yeah, I put so much things on my eyes, man.
Just really this.
59 seconds.
This feels like MasterChef.
Hands up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! So this is Joelle. Tell us what you did.
Eyeshadow.
That's all. You don't make her act like one shy here. You did eyeshadow?
Yeah, I did.
This one
Both
Oh, both sides. Do you not get the instructions? Like what? You're supposed to do half.
We did it wrongly, man.
Oh, you did it wrongly? Okay, I'm going to remove her brows also. Why?
I have uneven brows.
Do you use your sponge?
Yes. Okay, give me yours, give me yours, give me yours. Where's it?
Too late, it's too late already.
Why?
Too late, never
Where's
mind.
hers? Is that I'm gonna try and color correct first.
I
Colour
tried
correct.
many times, man.
You sure?
Unsuccessful.
Okay, look up.
Yeah, sorry, I'm not Mongabong.
The people are gonna scold you in the comments.
Why?
Because you very copy. I used like a salmon color, and then I'm gonna do green to cancel out the redness. Okay, better.
Do I look different?
No, I haven't even do anything yet. Yeah. Okay, we don't really have a lot of choices here, but I was thinking I would do a more everyday kind of look because she uses this color every day, which is very brown, so it makes her complexion looks a lot more dull. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and use a pinkier shade, so a bit less warm, because I feel like she's already very warm. Using this all over. Should I do cuter for you?
No, please.
Yes, okay, I'll do cuter. So I'm darkening the outer corners with eyeshadow. Taking some glitter, but it's not like a very bright glitter lah. Do not worry. Okay, I'm gonna do your eyeliner now. Just gonna go very close to her lash line. Wow, you look good. Okay, I think for her she suits like the very thin kind of eyeliner better. I'm just going very close and using her natural eye shape. So I think for her, I'm gonna try and bring down her cheeks. So just around here and here. Yeah. not too much, and blend it into the hairline. Just now I did her cheeks already, but I'm gonna do it a bit more. So I'm taking this eyeshadow shade, focusing a little bit more so that she looks cuter.
Looks very
Looks nice, right? So for her, I think because her eyebrows already has like, it's coming down already, so you don't need to from all the way. I think just the tip of the nose. Purse your lips.
so pink.
Purse, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Trust. Oh my god.
So different.
Hey, put down your hair. Put down your hair. Like, I see your hair. Oh my god, that is nice. Okay, so for Vic, I think she has uneven eyelids. You can see she has uneven eyelids. So one side is like very inner, and one side is single, but she has
Actually, both
almost
sides.
half parallel eyelids. This is what you usually do, is it?
Yeah, I don't do anything to my eyes.
Oh, why?
Because I feel like it'll make them more uneven.
It's okay lah. Okay, but we don't have eyelid tape today, which this eye would help with eyelid tape lah. But since we don't have it, it's okay. But she brought falsies, so I'm gonna try and see if. But these falsies are also quite natural for her type of eye. I think I'll go with something actually heavier, like the falsies. But let's try. I'm very excited.
I'm
okay.
scared.
Yeah, you don't have to be scared. So for a start, I will apply this color as her base, just to give it a wash of color. I think Vic is like a very sweet girl, so maybe today.
Mom's favorite.
No. Mong, debunk it now.
My favorite is Joelle. My favorite is
Exactly.
Joelle.
I'm second there.
How do you say? Vic was your favorite.
I'm not gonna say. Why would I
No,
ever say
anyhow.
that? Why would I ever say that Vic is my favorite? I will never say that to you guys. I will never tell you guys that. I do think that she is every mother-in-law's favorite. Yeah. Like I would want my daughter to be like her. I'm gonna try and go like slightly heavier on her. Maybe I'll try this eyeshadow.
How do you decide like what colors to mix together?
Usually in one palette, right, it's already mixed for you, so like you can't really go wrong. Yeah, technically, if you use from the same palette. So I think like her eyelid is very thick here, and then I'm gonna try and I'm gonna try and just give her some depth using eyeshadow to even it out a little bit. Okay, open. Smoky. Gel liner. Okay, yeah, you see, right? I think that's her issue. It's like every time she opens, right, it's gone.
Yeah.
So I need to
I think my
deepen it.
Really? I've tried to deepen it a lot, right? But then it will just like fold in.
Yeah. Okay, almost. It's Falsies time. I'm just gonna do very natural brows for you. I am going to put the glitter. What is this?
That's my favorite part.
Okay, put some glitter. Okay, there we have. Okay, look. Is it nice?
Oh, is that?
Nice.
Nice.
Let me see. I see.
Wait, my eye looks way bigger than it ever has.
It's the eyelash.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's so scary?
Where got scary? You look good. I think for for sure, right, she already looks very good already. She just has like some spots on her forehead, her chin, and then I think she will look really good with some mascara actually. Okay, I remove, okay? So I'm taking my Kiko Milano to spot conceal her spots. So green cancels red. Kill cover, this is Shir's.
Just favorite.
What look should I go for sure? Contour. You'll just contour like very big areas.
Like my hair is so
Entire-
sunken, I don't like.
Yeah, so that's why you shouldn't like go under anymore. You should just like do a big area. Nose. I won't put it too close to the side, so just in the middle, so that she has like a very more innocent face. Yeah. So a bit on her nose. Okay, I will start with the base shade. I think Shir's eyes are already like very nice and parallel, her eyelids. So I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I think maybe I'll make her look slightly more innocent, give her like a rounded eye look. Using her dandelion. So she has like cuter cheeks. Right. Okay, brown is a good color for her. So she's using Heroin Make as the eye. You like it down?
I don't know. I think it suits down.
Yeah, I think it suits down. I think you don't really need much.
I feel like I look weird if I do it.
You look very normal, you look the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, your eye shape must wear mascara. Cute! Yeah, no, I wanted hers to be a everyday kind of look. So for Shir's Aegyo style, I'm doing it more round, so she looks like kind of cuter. And I think like Aegyo style is very important when it comes to like balancing the eye and the face, because it actually shortens this portion of your face, this portion. So you will never see me leave my house without my Aegyo style. I think for her, like the main difference is like her complexion. I want to make it like more clean looking. Okay, maybe I will tint her brows a bit.
Why do you tint her brow?
So
It's my
that
hair.
it's more, yeah, it suits her hair and she looks a bit more soft.
That time I dyed my hair red. And the person dyed my hair, dyed my eyebrows also.
Oh,
it
yeah,
wasn't
yeah,
like
yeah.
red lah, but it was just like a bit more.
You can just click now.
Okay. Done. Okay, Shir is done.
Yeah, on camera cannot see much actually.
Sam's complexion is super nice. I think she is very like naturally radiant already. She just has single eyelids. Wait, is it? Because it's like inner eyelids as well. So that's why I think when it comes to eyeliner, when you open your eyes, right, you won't be able to like see much. So let's remove her base, and I'm gonna try and give her a very clean, rich girl look.
Wow.
What? No, like Tai Tai's daughter. I think her complexion can so. But I'll go lighter, like even lighter. Her scars are mostly brown in color, so we should go in with more salmon. Okay, so base is done. I'm gonna conceal with NARS as usual. This is like the best shade. I feel like all of us have very similar shade colors. So just brighten a little bit and get rid of more spots on her face so that it's clean. Contour. I'm gonna try and contour like a big area.
I always put my blush all the way.
I mean you can, but I just wanted to do a clean look today. So, you look so nice and rich now. Not yet. But look at your complexion. Oh my god. Your complexion is so nice. eyeshadow time. I'm gonna use this shade. I think you still did the best because you're so fair. I'm gonna do a slight bit of brown for her, mixed with red. I'm gonna use eyeshadow as eyeliner for her.
That's why.
Wait, close your eyes. Like lift up your eyelids. Right? Can you see it's floating?
Oh my god, my eye like one bigger than the other.
Oh my god. No. Thank you.
Whoa, I can see my lashes.
Wait. I want to try and do something about your hair. Wow. Alright, so our dear Rachel doesn't use any base makeup at all. So Rachel has a bit of redness in her face. So that's why I think I will try and color correct it later on. And then I will take a lot of green to color correct. So her dark eye circles are mostly brown, so I'm using salmon.
So the commonly used colors are like green and
Salmon and purple if you have yellowness. Oh my god, look at the difference already. You just need a lot of color correction. You have a lot of redness, right, in here.
It's really very hard.
Yeah, it's really very hard. Okay. Contour her nose. Do you do nose contour usually?
Nope.
I will do this color. Maybe I'll go for a slight smoky eye for you. Yeah, her eyelashes are super long.
Can. It's a bit uncomfortable. Weird.
Do your eagle now. No, it is already. It is embroidered. You did? Do you draw?
No.
See whether I can change the color a bit. Oh, I can a little bit. Because the eyebrow embroidery will change color after a while. How long ago did you do this?
Almost a year, until last December. But that was my second time doing it. So I didn't laser off before doing a new set.
I see.
So maybe the color also a bit, different.
Okay, cover half side of your face.
Maybe cover also can.
Oh my god, you look nice. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I hope you guys like your half face. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and talk to us in the comments.